let me let you in a little secret. I do care for your hair. It's not so much of a secret, but if you don't know me as yet, I am Sincere Sandy, Styles by Sandy on Instagram, SandyW003 on Instagram, and I'm a hairstylist based in Toronto, Canada. And if you have thinning locks, broken locks, you need lock maintenance. I know it can be stressful at times. You don't know how to care for your hair. You can always message me. My info is on Instagram, and on my Instagram page you can just check my profile, or you can just message me under this video and I'll get back to you. So let's get into the video. This video is focuses on lock maintenance, and you can see the client, she has thinning locks, and she have a thick amount of hair in the root, but her locks, they are thinning, right? And I'm gonna show you exactly what I normally do to repair those dreadlocks. So I'm sectioning her hair, making this part nice and clean, separating the locks so that they can be neat, sleek. I'm using my retwist comb to do that. So this is what I'm doing. I am gathering the hair with my comb. Her hair is thick in the root, but the lock was just hanging from like couple strands of hair, and so yeah. And I'm using my lock pin, hook, whatever you want to call it, with the two prongs. I am more the two prong ones. I like that one. It's easier to maneuver and to work with for me. So this is exactly what I'm doing. I am crocheting her hair, and this is called the crocheting method. And crocheting, it's much better than the other methods. You have the comb twist, and especially if you want your locks to last longer and to be intact. So that is what the crochet method does, to put back, or to make your hair into an instant dreadlock. So keep watching my video, and I hope you learn from this. So yeah, so this is the crocheting method, and this is what I'm doing. I am taking her hair from the root, and I'm crocheting it onto the lock to make it nice and full and healthy, make it looking healthier. So keep watching my video and let me know what you think. I am here to always help you and educate you about your hair health. I do any hair type. I can do it. I do instant dreads, I do comb coils, I do twist and twist, I do crochet, I do interlock. So look at this. So these, they're like thin from the root, and that is not healthy at all. It's not healthy. It's putting a lot of strain on your scalp, on your hair, and it's breaking your hair furthermore. So yes, this is how it's looking now, and it's much better, right? So yeah, and I'm gonna do all of that until I'm gonna crochet her entire hair, and you will see. So keep watching. So I'm all done, and this is the finished look. And oh, look at the locks, much healthier. So yeah, she got a full repair and so much happier. She was so happy with the results. Won't you? So come on in. I am here to help you. Don't be afraid. I'm not a beast. I'll catch you in my next video. Okay, so bye. One more thing, subscribe. It's free. You don't pay. Subscribe and share my video. Thank you in advance. Thank you for watching.